Alright, so hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Pokemon Puzzle League. I am RDH Davis, welcome back everyone. I hope everyone's doing good today. Anybody that's new to the channel, welcome. How are you doing? I hope everyone's doing good, and I also hope you enjoyed this episode and my gameplay of Super Mario. What the hell are you talking about, Davis? Oh, Pokemon Puzzle League. Alright, let's go ahead and play this. We're playing this on the Nintendo Switch, by the way. So, last episode, I was dealing against Team Rocket. I finally beat it, and now in this episode, we're going to deal with their boss. The boss. Everybody knows who their boss is, so let's go ahead and face him, I hope.
We were careless.
No, we were selfish.
We were careless and selfish.
Team Rocket's blasting off again!
Bye-bye. Last. Oh my god, that pose, that Persianism. Welcome. It appears that those bubbling idiots couldn't follow my, what? Directions. Yes. Yeah. It looks as if I will have to finish this myself. Not to worry. I will make this as painless as possible. Prepare to experience the wrath of Giovanni.
How good are you?
Not that good, but we'll see. Oh god, this is gonna be hard, guys. Get ready to do another combo, right? No. That messed me up.
Team Rocket rules.
Shut up, I'll try it again.
You will serve me.
Will I? I doubt it very much, sir. Alright, let's do this, Giovanni. Oh god. I gotta be fast. Come on, Davis. Be fast. Jigglypuff does not wait for me, you bubble. I didn't do it. Oh my god! Hurry up, Davis. Ah! Dude. Thank you. You better hurry up. Ah! Better hurry. Are you serious? Are you serious? I did it! Did I win? Did I win? Did I win? That's the shortest stage clear.
Let's see how you do against the Puzzle Master.
What? Who's the Puzzle Master? Key to Puzzle City. What? That's it? Oh, that was the shortest. I'm so sorry, guys. I really thought I was gonna take... Let's see how you do against the Puzzle Master. Huh. I wonder what he means by that. Can we skip? You can't skip this? Oh, he's probably... Okay, some of us already know who the Puzzle Master is. But he knows. Because, of course, he created him. He created the Puzzle Master. Okay. I guess we're gonna have to wait until the end credits. So yeah, anyways, when I faced against Team Rocket, when I came to the spa, I was all like, oh, I thought it was something totally different. But I didn't expect it to be an actual, like, thing where you have to pass it, and then this happens, you get like an end credits. I thought the only thing that you have to do was the stadium. The Pokemon Stadium, Pokemon Puzzle Stadium. But I guess not. But I still gotta face Cassidy and Butch. I have to face them again, guys. I have to. They're hard because their speed is really fast. I think I'm gonna have to like just look for a combination so like, because like I said, now that I've already figured out how Jigglypuff works, once you're super close to the top, I'm gonna have to do like a combination super fast before it touches the very top. So I will face them again. I will face them again. But I got a key to the city. I wonder what that key is for. Can we skip, please? Nope. Dun, 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 dun. And they did have some good jams when you were facing Team Rocket. They had some pretty good jams there. Dun, 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 dun. Developed by Nintendo Software Technology. Alright, let's see. I'm so sorry, this is like the shortest episode. Alright, on the trainer select screen. On the trainer select screen. Take a picture of that just in case. On the trainer select screen. 2-player stadium, hold the Z button. The Z button, where is the Z button? Right there. Down and push the L and right button on the controllers, 1 and 2 at the same time. This will unlock all of the trainers. There you go! Alright, let's give it a shot.
Hi, Professor O.
Goodbye. Is that what it said? Nope, nope, nope. Oh, goodness. Let's go back, shall we? Album. On the screen. 2-player stadium. On the trainer select screen. Oh, a two-player stadium. Hold the okay. Oh no. Spa service? I never... Uh-huh. Do I really have to put a second controller? Oh my goodness. You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. Where is it? I'm gonna plug the GameCube controller. Just so I can put in this code. So I guess that's how you do it. To unlock all those other characters. There. Now. No, guest. Now what? Yes, we're ready. That's interesting. Okay, so Z. I'm pressing it at the same time. I don't understand. All right. On the trainer select screen of 2-player stadium, hold the Z button down and push the L button and the R button on the controllers. Oh no, you have to... Well, wish me luck. I have to do it at the same time? Really? I need someone to help me. There we go. Okay, I was all like... So there you have it, guys. That's how you unlock the other characters. Nice.
Play with me.
No.
Play with me.
And then we got Lorelai.
I'm Lorelai. Hiya, cutie.
And then Bruno.
I sensed you'd come.
And Giovanni, right?
I'm Giovanni. You will serve me.
There you go. So yes, I guess it is something rewarding. You get a reward. So after you defeat Team Rocket, you unlock the other 4 hidden characters, so you can play as them. That's cool. So now we can play as them. All right, we're out of here. Nah. So that means you can go over here, Pokemon Center.
What can I do for you?
Profiles, I think, right? There you go. They're unlocked.
Are you
And you
ready?
can listen to their music too, which is pretty cool. This is what I would do a lot of times when I start drawing or writing stories or something. When I want to hear some jams. Back then, when this game was like super addicting to me, I would go here and play this song or any other character songs, because I do love their jams in this game. I remember this from the Pokemon movie. And then this one, nah. This one. Cool! I didn't think Mewtwo would be there.
I'm Mewtwo. Ready to battle? It is my destiny.
It is my destiny. This is a cool final battle music. That's it, right? And I guess that's it, guys. There you have it. Alright, that'll be enough for today, guys. I'm so sorry that this was like a very short episode, but you know what? When we face Cassidy and Butch, that's also going to be probably a short episode. But there you have it. I don't know what... I'm pretty sure there's other codes that you can use to unlock certain things in this game. But I guess we'll find out later. But I want to thank you guys so very much for watching. If you sticked around and watched this whole episode, thank you. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next episode, hopefully when I face Cassidy and Butch. Don't forget, if you're interested in checking out my Twitch channel, if you haven't checked it out, the link is in the description below this video. Just click on the link if you're interested, and it'll take you straight there. Alright guys, well, y'all have a good day or a good night. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you next time. Laters!
I'm Lorelai. Hiya, cutie. Are you ready?